Welcome to SK Trading Live. The stream will be starting shortly.
What's up, everybody? What's up, everybody? Let's go, everybody in My Funded Futures. There's the link to sign up for the raffle. Hello, everybody. I'm Stephen Kalayjian, and thank you for joining me tonight for My Funded Futures Asia session from 8 here to 10 p.m. All right. Right before we got here, we saw the S&P futures rally for about 8. NASDAQ futures rallied about 50 here. We have the State of the Union, so good luck. How many people are going to be here tonight? We got a kaboom and a kaboosh. Hello, everybody. Billy Gibbs, Big M, how are you? Pomsky. Hey, Pomsky, where have you been? James Dean, Bear Trader, M. Dot. What's going on? Michael Lomi, how are you? Zepside, how are you, everybody? How is everybody? All right. Let's see here. So excited to be here with everybody. Brian, how are you? Jeff W. All right. Gold's bullish here right now. All right, let's see if this gold can take this out. You know, Papa Trump speaking obviously tonight. Hey, Connor. Papa Trump speaking tonight, so we want to see what's, of course, the markets make a move at 7:30. S&P's rally. You're in a positive trend on the 15, 30, and 60-minute time frame, so really just, unbelievable. What else here? All right. Hope everybody had a great evening. All right. Hope everybody had a great evening here. State of the Union starts at 9 o'clock. Thank you, O. William. Okay, and let me get, let's see if we can see what's going. There goes the gold, just rocketed right now, just about 8, 9 on the gold. How's everybody tonight? McPaula, how are you? Anybody new here, put a 1, please. If there's anybody new here. What's going on, Miss K? 909. There you go, Miss K. Anybody new here? Put a 1, KM7214. We're going to do the raffles tonight here. CF Downey 99 channel. Hello. How are you? All right. Let's go. All right. Let's see if this here. We're alive, right, Billy Gibbs? That's right. Get the likes up, everybody. Let's go. We got about 400 to 600 people a night here. All right. Again, with the State of the Union, I think it's going to be a complete, I don't want to sound negative, but I don't think anybody's going to do anything. Hey, Zill. How are you, my good buddy? How are you? God bless you. Bitcoin futures, yes. If you guys want to trade some Bitcoin futures, I think that's another way to go here. All right. Super dude. And we're off. Nice call on the gold short last night. You saw that? Right. Well, Leonardo, listen, I'm not going to hold it against the guy. The guy, it did rally. I mean, it did get kabooshed from 01 down to 85 and then rallied up to 12. So he was right about that. But then I was calling shorts at 08, 9, and 10, 11, 12. And then it just got absolutely kabooshed. Hello from New York, GA 54800. Iver, sir, how are you? I mean, and gold got absolutely kabooshed after that. I mean, the 30s rolled over. How about the NASDAQ futures dropping last night? Right? The NASDAQ futures got absolutely kabooshed here. It's freaking gold. I was going to short it up there. I was looking for 75. How about the NASDAQ futures? NASDAQ futures push up, right, to the 24,885, and then, it drops 140 points, and then it ricochets off the positive MACD. What a short on that Bitcoin just now. All right. All right, Bitcoin's in the positive trend on the 30 and 60s, 15, 30, and 60s. Hey, the cheesy. Oh my God. Gold is caboose. It's not. It doesn't matter. Hold on.
It doesn't matter.
There you go. We got Aaron put that in for me. All right. Farley, man, how are you? Who lives in New York? Who's dealing with that snow? I live in Jupiter, Florida. It ain't happening, man. I don't want to see that white stuff ever again as long as I live. No way, no how, no one. Periodo. All right. Good evening, Parisha Trades, Suave Future. Hey, Suave, where have you been, brother? Farley, Austin, Texas. There you go. Longhorn country. All right. Geez, I wanted to short that gold at 75. Damn it. You think so? All right, if this silver gets up to the 20 level, S&P's making new highs, NASDAQ making new highs, gold getting kabooshed here. All right. There goes the NASDAQ. Yeah, all right. There goes the Bitcoin right back up. All right. Silver, I would take a short here on the silver. 88.30 up to 88.85 or 88.35 up to 88.40 up to 88.90. All right. See if there's gold. Short some gold. 75 up to 83. Let's see. NASDAQ pushing up here. NASDAQ. If NASDAQ gets up to 90, 25,090 to 25,125, I'd look to short it. All right. S&P's gets up to the 11.5 to 16.5. I would take a scalp short there as well. All right. Yeah. So, DL, how are you? So yesterday we saw gold get kabooshed a number of times, and then it rallied from 51.85 up to 52.12, and 52.12 it got absolutely kabooshed. All right, it got absolutely kabooshed. So we got and then NASDAQ futures even dropped even more. You can cover this silver between the 35 and 45 range. All right, gold right back up here. Papa Trump, what's he gonna do here? All right, NASDAQ, if it hit 90, I would lower your stops on the NASDAQ. S&Ps, I would start looking to cover. If you sold S&Ps here, 11.5. NASDAQ, I believe it hit 90. If you sold it, no, 88, missed it. Cover the gold here between 74 and 77. Silver between the 30 and the 45 range. Trump is speaking at 9. Okay, Papa Trump is speaking at 9. So last night we saw the gold, right, trade from the 52.01 all the way down to 85, and then 85 up to 12, 52.12, and then 52.12 dropped all the way down about 50 points. NASDAQ, right, NASDAQ got absolutely kabooshed. Dropped all the way down to the 24,738. Now, when that happened, right? When that happened, you got to remember that the MACDs on the 60-minute time frame did not confirm, right? And I'll just show you what I'm talking about here. You can see last night that the 60-minute MACDs, what time is this here? The 20th. No, that's not it. It was, I think it was right here. Yep, right here. Now, this morning, when the market opened, and we got a kabooshin, 24,694. Did that MACD make a new low? Did that MACD make a new low? Right? Did that make a new low? No. The answer is no. Right? So that means we got a ricochet right back up right after the opening. Okay? I think Bitcoin's going down. That's just my opinion. And I think gold is going to reverse to buy on the 15-minute time frame. So then we're going to have to look to buy pullbacks because gold is going to set up now on the 15 right here, MACD is below, and it's going to correlate with the 30-minute time frame. So I want to see if this sticks positive in the next 15 minutes, and then you want to look to cover the longs there. Bitcoin is what? All right, Bitcoin just rallied 200 just now. You were looking for pullback. I'm looking for pullbacks to go long gold here. Silver is about to reverse to buy on the 60-minute time frame, and then sure as hell you want to buy pullbacks on silver. That's going to be the trades right there. Pullbacks on gold and pullbacks on silver right here. If silver reverses to buy right here on the 60-minute time frame, okay, I don't know what's going on. Something's wrong here. I gotta change this. 89.19. All right. Nasdaq just missed it. Just dropped 13. S&P's just dropped 2. Bitcoin to 10,000. Wow. Bitcoin to 55,000. I can see that. I can see that. Jeffrey, what a beautiful pullback on the 15-minute time frame on Bitcoin here. BTC USD here. 15-minute, Jeff. 60-minute. Look at that 60 right here. Oversold, positive MACD. All right. Bitcoiners keep losing money? Yeah, probably. All right, we're looking to buy pullbacks here on gold and silver. Put this back up here on the 5-minute. You could scalp some Bitcoin. Where's this thing doing here? 64,500 to 64,000, like 900, probably something like that. Now the 15-minute time frame on gold's about to reverse to buy on the 15, so you want to buy pullbacks here, right here. You want to buy pullbacks. Gold's $21 from the 10 bar. Papa Trump's going to give the speech of a lifetime. He's going to. Iran pullback. Yeah, you can look for pullbacks on Nasdaq as well. Yeah. All right. Gold flew. Yep. This was the long right here. Right on the opening here. What?
I was talking to Jennifer. Sorry.
Ah. You picked up Bitcoin and keeps dumping? Yeah, I think Bitcoin eventually is going to get kabooshed here. Gold's $18 above the 10 bar right now. Got to look for pullbacks here. Who cares what people keep telling you? People keep telling you that you can buy a bridge for free. You're gonna buy that, get that bridge? Come on, who cares what people keep selling you? Trade what you see. How about that motto, right? Hey, Kelly, how are you? Josh Simpson, what's going on, good buddy? All right, let's see if we get this pullback here on the gold. Silver, I'd be covering shorts in silver below 41 here. Gold just dropped 6 here. Boom. Uh-oh, there goes Bitcoin. Look to cover this thing between the 600, 680. What happened? New Papa Trump just came out, said something. Bitcoin to the moon. Yeah, Papa Trump, there it goes. He's going to pump it up. Pump up the volume. Here goes the Bitcoin. Jesus. Jeff, you okay on this Bitcoin? So pencil up here. Guess you got to short some here. 65,400 to like probably 800. That just dropped. Papa Trump. Aliens, right? It's all about aliens. Yeah, there's no volume though. Look at this thing though. Pips are for forex. You mean ticks? I don't use ticks. I think this thing should drop here. $500. Oh my God! What are these people crazy? What are they nuts? This is a pencil up 1,400. Who's buying this crap? I'd buy this thing back between the 500 and 750 range. Drop. 3,000 in 3 minutes. You made 3,000 in 3 minutes? Trump's talking about crypto. He didn't even start yet. Papa Trump's not even here. We go, dropping here. Papa Trump's not even talking. See if this thing can drop. Obviously, gonna have to look for longs. I think Nasdaq's gonna go higher if you get a pullback. Yes. See if this thing can drop. Here we go. Look to cover between 500 and 700 on the Bitcoin. And let's see if this thing can really. Gold's making new highs here. Papa Trump in the house. You could take some shorts on gold. 95, 51,095 up to 02. There goes the Nasdaq new highs. There goes the Bitcoin dropping. Buying 10 billion of Bitcoin. All right. Jeff, you get any short up there, Jeff? At least Jeff trades Bitcoin. Again, looking for scalp shorts on gold, but looking for pullbacks to get long. The 15 just reversed the buy. The 15 just reversed the buy. Oh my God, Bitcoin just dropped 600, 500. He does come on at 500 in 45 minutes. Cover the gold here between the 92.5 and 95.5 range. Bitcoin just got kabooshed. Gotta buy pullbacks on silver and gold. Gold is reversed to buy on the 15, correlated with the 30. Good job, Iceman. Please register for the raffle, everybody. Everybody, please register for the raffle. Okay, go to My Funded Futures. You need to have an account with My Funded Futures in order to win a raffle. All right, gold's starting to drop here. Bitcoin right back up. ADXs are rising. There goes gold making new highs. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. My sound doesn't work now, Aaron. I don't know why. Hey, P-Long. How are you, P-Long? What's going on, brother? Gotta look to buy pullbacks. NASDAQ, S&Ps, gold, silver, Bitcoin. S&Ps, NASDAQ making new highs. Look at this, 25,100. Are you long or short anything?
Sure, go.
Okay. We trade down to 94. You didn't buy it back?
Yeah, but I went in again.
But I didn't call it short. Okay. I want to take a scalp short on the on NASDAQ. You can look to take one here. 25,110 to 40. All right, let's see if there's gold.
Should I click it again?
All right, gold 5,200. Nope. 5,200 and a half up to 07.5, 8. I would look to short the gold. Scalp it short. Right here you go 01 to 09 on the gold. I look to scalp the short. Looking for a pullback. Look at platinum. I'm scared too.
Bull and the bear, same thing.
It doesn't matter.
Oh, there it goes. Got it. Thank you.
Okay.
Bitcoin hit the look 66,000 just dropped. Platinum. I'm scared to look at platinum. Oh my God. Oh no, Jesus, Lord God Almighty, man. I wanted this platinum so bad here. Right here. Up 400 on platinum. Jesus. I was looking to buy these PPLTs here. Right here. 80. Look to cover gold below even. Hi, SK Isaac. There goes the gold dropping. Yeah. Andrew Barley, how are you? Look at the gold drop. Look at the gold drop. Are you short, Jennifer?
Mm-hmm.
All right. The State of the Union. I think. All right. If you short the Nasdaq at 10, if you short Nasdaq at 10, look to cover. If not, I cancel. The State of the Union. How's it going to go? I think it's going to be long. Okay. I think. You got to look to buy pullbacks on gold. I'm just scalping shorts. I think it's going to be long, and I think he's going to cover everything. I think he's going to talk about immigration. I think he's going to talk about ICE. I think he's going to talk about affordability. I think he's going to talk about Iran. I think he's going to talk about Russia. I think he's going to talk about everything. I think this could be a 2.5-hour speech. Minimum 2. I think this gold's are short again, 03 to 11. All right, if you short the gold at 03, oh my God, they just got kabooshed. Gold, Nasdaq. Oh my God, S&P's dropped 5. Gold stop where? You're short. I would start covering. Bitcoin gets up to the 66,200 to 600. I was sure. Oh my God, S&Ps. Nasdaq just dropped 35. Papa Trump. Where's the gold stuff? Just lower your stops. The whole world was buying up there. I was saying short them. You're making new highs. The MACDs on the 15-minute time frame are not confirming. Here, S&Ps, look. Here's the new high, 14. The MACDs did not confirm the high here. Right? Climb the chin. Fill the coolers. Fill the coolers. That's what I say. Oh my God, gold gold just dropped 7. S&P's 5. Nasdaq 35. That's the bear, baby. I love when they go down. I love when they go down. Love it. I love when they go down. Ask anybody. I feel like the skin's going to fall off my bones. They go down so much faster than they go up. Right? Oh my. Anybody get the Nasdaq short? Meanwhile, silver does not want to go down, believe it or not. Silver and gold are going completely. right? Time to chin. Anybody new here wants a 5-day free trial to my live stream every day, right? Please text me 914-500-7484. Please send me your full name and email. If anybody, ES or NASDAQ, I like the S&P. I mean, I could trade both. I trade the Qs a lot too. Silver's going up. It's defying ground. You got to buy pullbacks on silver, Charles Hendershot, great job, my brother. Come visit me. You got to give me an answer tomorrow. My 908 no, my 704 no, the 908 number. All right, good job. Papa about to whip the market. Papa Trump, he's all psyched up. U.S. hockey team's there. The Supreme Court judges decided to show up. You got about 50 Democrats who aren't going to show up. Beautiful. Where's my doggy? You're a good boy. Daddy loves you. He just loves being here, right? Boo boo. All right. 908 is Jersey. Yeah. I mean, copper is your new favorite? Okay, just be careful. Just learn how to trade it. Just if you had my system, you really kill it. Oh my God. The 15's about to reverse the buy here. You got to look to buy pullbacks here then.
Mm-hmm.
What's that?
Nothing. We're talking about copper.
If the 15's reverses the buy here, you got to buy it. You got to buy pullbacks. Still looking for pullbacks in silver, gold, platinum, and copper. Triple Lindy gold? No, that's not a triple Lindy. Billy Gibbs. On gold, you have what's called a buy disconnect. The 15 reversed the 60-minute. Correlated with the 30-minute right here. Now, if the 60-minute time frames reverse to buy right here at 9 o'clock, holy moly. You better be buying, looking to buy pullbacks. And then if the 15s get oversold, this gold can go to like 52.30. Okay? Right? That's right, baby. The year of the fire horse. You got to look to buy pullbacks here. I mean, that's what the right thing to do is here. You got to look to buy pullbacks. Bitcoin, if it hit the 200 mark, it doesn't matter. Look at this. If you want to take a short on gold, scalp short only. Like 0380 to like 1180 on the gold. Or 04 to 12. Gonna get another push up here. Double blue buy. Anybody new here today? Anybody new? I see a lot of the same people. If you're new, remember I also host a podcast every single day, The Bull, the Bear, and the Ugly. If you're short the gold at 04, lower your stops. Lower your stops on the gold. Scotty Murphy, nice to meet you. Scotty Murphy, please text me Farley man, text me 914-500-7484. I'll send you a 5-day free trial. Full name and email. Scotty Murphy and Farley man. Yeah, I know Patrick for about 10 years. Ira Jew. Yeah, well, I got 43 years of it. I'll tell you that. All right, NASDAQ. If the NASDAQ gets down to the, I go 55, 75 range, and then you can go long the NASDAQ here. S&Ps, if they get down to the, probably the 4.5, 9.5 range, look to buy. Gold just dropped 4. The non-confirmations, you could take a scalp short on silver, 89. Jesus, 89 on silver. 89.10 up to 50. There goes the NASDAQ. Jesus, just ran 10 like nothing. All right, let's just watch it. Pedro, I'm mad at you, Pedro. You're with me and you don't ask one damn question during the day. You don't ask one damn question. You got to learn, right? Zeno, right, Zeno? It doesn't matter. No, I meant to say 25,075 down to 55. Oh, there goes the NASDAQ. Just ran 10. The right thing to do is watch the podcast too. All right. It does work on NinjaTrader, but there's a problem. NinjaTrader doesn't provide equity data. Okay? There you go, brother. There you go, brother. God bless you, man. There you go. Turn it up. That's right, baby. Leonard Skinner. How about the U.S. hockey team? They're playing the song "Freebird" everywhere on Instagram, right, with the goal. And then the President of the United States has them walk in the White House with "Freebird." The song's 50 years old. If I tell you that Skinner, in my opinion, is the greatest band ever, that's just my opinion. 50 years later, a song is being sung like that. Free bird. Leonard Skinner, baby. So for my gift, my kids got me about 2 years ago tickets to Skinner and to meet Johnny Van Zant. What do you mean a questionnaire thing on YouTube? What do you want me to have? What do you want me to have? A questionnaire. I watch this 1,000 times a day.
It's your happy place.
It's my what?
It's your happy place.
My happy place.
Yeah, watching them have that fun.
No, because I'm such an avid sports nut.
Yes.
And now you got the Canadians coaching staff all pissed off that they played 3-on-3. Meanwhile, the Canadians, oh my God, look at the NASDAQ go. NASDAQ just ran 15. All right, cancel the longs on that. That was a double blue buy here, by the way. If you look here, on the NASDAQ. That's a double blue buy here. You can short some gold, scalp it. 07 up to probably 14, 15. You see this? The 5 reversing to buy. Oh, oops, sorry. The 5-minute time frame reversing to buy, correlating with the 15, 30, and 60. Just ran 20 just now on the NASDAQ on that. That's why I was trying to buy it, but it didn't get to 75 after that. You got the long future Enro. Good job. There you go. And again, everybody, welcome Jennifer. Jennifer is in the house.
Hi, chat.
Canada had a 5-on-3 for about what? A minute what? A minute 40? A minute 38? Come on. And they couldn't score. 5-on-3. Come on, man. Gold's to scalp to short. You guys still you're at 25,085? Well, this was the long right here. You see the positive MACD, the ADX is rising, the big buying pressure, the oversold condition. This is when you use all 4 indicators on that pattern right there. Gold, if you're short at 07, just lower your... Oh, my God, look at this gold. $5. Silver, look to cover silver below 02 if you're short. Oh, my God, gold just got kabooshed. Kabooshed on the gold, on that. Oh my God, $9 on the gold. Who got the gold short? Jennifer's the best. Nobody got the gold short? The scalp short on gold? What are you, crazy? You can see the gold futures on the 60-minute time frame are not confirming. This is why you got to keep shorting the gold on the highs. You tell me, is that MACD making a high here? Hello? Kabooshed. Trimakis, how are you? I don't look at the Hong Kong market. Tim the Chin, 76 ticks on gold. I don't know what that means. I look at points. Oof. Gold short was, you took the profit at even 7 points. Good job, DL. Dark skin Ken, what's going on? Traveen. I want you to fly high, free bird. I'm doing good. I'm doing good. Remember, sign up for the raffle. Oh my God, look at this gold. $8. Silver just got kabooshed. Silver just got kabooshed. We should have 3,000 people here every night. How? I have no idea. We don't. Oh my God, $10 on gold. Hi, boo boo. You good boy. My henny boo. Look how big you got. Look how nice your father fed you, right? Look at your coat. You sleep on the couch, right? He's very glued to me. My henny. It doesn't matter, right? Nobody, I'm really surprised nobody really got that gold scalp short. Because what you're doing is you're looking for the pullback on the 5-minute. However, you're making new highs and the 60-minute MACDs are non-confirming, right? The highs. Mr. Speaker, the President of the United States. Where, yesterday after the close or today? Today? No, I mean, come on. Gold rallied because the fact that they're hedging themselves and get. Oh my God! Look at this Nasdaq up 25 on that double blue buy. That's an absolute Picasso strategy. No, they're hedging themselves because they feel like if he goes in, gold will be 53, 5,400. You know. That's a good job. You got the gold 4 times R&R. God bless you. Michael B, what's going on, Michael B? Silver and gold. I just want this gold to drop a little more. Set up the long on the 5. On the double blue, yes, sir. What do you call it? Nasdaq was double blue. If this gold reverses the buy on the 60-minute time frame at 9 o'clock, holy mackerel! I would say I would be buying every pullback, every oversold condition on the 5 and 15. Silver. I ain't never been with a woman long enough for my boots to get old. We've been together so long now, my boots need resoled. If I ever settle down, you'd be my gal. Head on to me and head on down the line. Heard it in a love song. Oh my God, the stupid series taking every word I wrote, as I said. It's a moronic thing. You get the gold a couple times?
Yeah.
How much you up, Jennifer?
Up 1,100.
You should be trading the real account. The my fund, whatever one you got. Barry, how about you?
879.
How much?
879.
You got to stop. You got to trade a different account now.
Okay.
That's how you do it. You don't keep going to the well on the same account. That's right. Give me a guitar and scotch. I got the scotch. I got a Martin guitar. That was about $1,900, $2,400. Acoustic guitar. Look at this gold. I ain't never been with a woman long enough for my boots to get old. Leonard Skinner. Marshall Tucker. I went to an event one time on the west side of New York City. Oh my God, look at this gold. And it was Skinner, the Outlaws, Marshall Tucker, Charlie Daniels, and the Allman Brothers. Are you crazy?
Amazing.
Are you nuts? You talk about 5 of the best bands. I play guitar. You got to enter the raffle, Scotty Murphy on top. Scroll all the way to the top on the Discord, on the chat, and you'll see how Denny posted it. You need to create a My Funded Futures email, okay, an account. They switched to what? What's K? May? You have several. So I have. Let's see. I have about 5 Paul Reed Smiths. 4 or 5 Paul Reed Smiths. I have what do you call it? I have about 5. I have 5. Yeah, gold's gonna go here. If this gold gets down to the 85 and 86 and a half, 94 and a half. I'd look to buy it. Oh my God, Nasdaq right back. Oh my God, Nasdaq just ran 30. Let's see what's texting me here. Not Gibson's. What's the other one? Jeez, I'm so freaking mentally shot. You got who? Anybody have any Paul Reed Smiths? Nasdaq, kaboom. Got a couple fenders. Look at this Nasdaq. Where's this thing going? Really? Wow, that's awesome. Bunch of Gibsons I got. Look at this gold. Oh my God. No, I don't like the 12 string. Short everything. Come on, guys. You got to smash the like buttons here. What a long. So here, I'll show you this. Okay, when you see a pattern like this, guys, okay, and this is why I was trying to call the long on the S&P and NASDAQ. When you get this pullback here, right, you see the ADX rising, the positive MACD, the big buying. When you get an oversold condition into a positive MACD, oversold into a rising ADX, oversold into big buying pressure, you better not be short. That's why I was calling longs 04.5, 09.5, and NASDAQ 55 to 75. Of course, it hit 73 right before, and then it explodes up 30, 35, right? Like, look at gold right now, right? I'm trying to get long the gold here, right? On the trade. Look at this. 94.5, I'm never going to get that. If this gold drops anywhere between, I don't think it's going to happen now, because look at the ADX rising, the 15 reversing. You want to buy this gold. If this gold gets down to the 90, 97, I would look to buy it there. No candles, Ethan. What are EZ1 and EZ4? EZ4 is my own predictive analytics, and EZ1 is a MACD. Okay? It's a MACD. I didn't call it short on the NASDAQ. Let's see what Papa Trump's going to say here.
Did you take any Nasdaq tonight? You followed up the Nasdaq?
I gave a buy signal on the NASDAQ.
Yeah,
I said
I'm not
55 to
showing it.
75. No, somebody here.
Yeah, I was just asking Barry.
What about easy? Easy. This is my own overbought, oversold oscillator. And then easy 2 is a directional movement with an ADX. I did. I called a long down there. Whether you got filled or not, it's a different story, but I don't think we did, to be bluntly. I'm going to be 100% honest. I think it happened. I think it hit 73, traded to 80, and then I was actually going to raise it to 80, and I said, no, just stay at 75, and then, of course, it goes from 80 up to 10. I ain't never been with a woman long enough for a woman to get old. What'd I say? Short from 95 to 125. Who said that? What'd I say? Patrick O'Brien? I said short what? Gold?
No, longs.
I called a long on the NASDAQ and S&Ps. Patrick? You're saying I called a short, 95 to... That might have been earlier. I don't even know if I did that. Is that earlier? The highs are not confirmed on the 15. The highs are confirming on the 5. So if you want to take some type of a scalp short on NASDAQ, maybe 25,115 up to like 40. Okay? Yeah, I said double blue buy on the NASDAQ. And I said it pulled in beautifully. And I said the low 73. When I went in, I said 55 to 75, and it was trading at 80, and I don't think it, Patrick, I don't remember calling it short there. I remember calling it long. All I know is it's cold here in Florida. I'm not too happy. It's the NASDAQ futures, Pedro. Yes, Pedro. I ain't never been with... You have 8 minutes to sign up for the raffle. 8 minutes.
Oh, gold got down.
Boom. What did it get down to?
Just like 98 or so, you know.
Oh, man.
Not quite to 97.
You could raise the gold 90 to 98. You don't want to miss it.
I missed it.
No, this is the first pullback on the 5 minutes. It's going to go.
Let's go. Roll it out. Yeah. I think it's about 400 because I think 900 was already there. Exactly. Is what it's going to do.
Jesus, there goes the NASDAQ dropping. S&Ps just dropped 1.
Yep.
We've been together so long now, my boots need resold. If I ever settle down, you'd be my gal. And it's a good time for me to head on down the line. Heard it in a love song. What happened? Come. Come, Daddy. Come. That's my boy. Hello, boo-boo. Ooh, my big moosey. All right, let's see if this goal can get one more push here. I heard it in a love song. Heard it in a love song. Can't be, no. Hello, Daddy. I love my boy. Where my Henny poo? Where my big Henny? Henny gets a bath tomorrow.
Oh, boy, that would be
He gets a bath. That's right.
I need my ear back.
He gets a nice bath tomorrow, my boy. All right. Let's see if this goal can get a pullback here. Nasdaq hit the 10 mark.
Oh, half a gallon?
Yeah, exactly. Gonna need another jug of water soon.
Well,
Oh, it is down there.
you should be definitely looking at my fund of futures. Hendricks?
Going small.
Patrick. No, leave Patrick. Patrick's good people. He might have just not heard it though, but I don't know what he was saying. 95 to 125. That was earlier. I think, and I remember. Get back. I think the Nasdaq went over here. Where is it? Right here, Patrick. But it never got there, and then it dropped. So I think that's, but just when it drops, yeah, so why not? There goes the Nasdaq dropping, gold dropping.
Okay, so that long worked. As a scalp. Yeah, and sure enough, the nearer target went for a quick bounce, and then the further target went a little further. Yeah. So that's probably we're going to continue on up, but I'm already out. That's $50.
Are you trading your real account? You should be trading a real account, no sim. You're past
Yeah.
the sim stages now.
This is a prop count, yes.
All right, good.
So I'm up like $500 on the night.
On the night?
Yeah, so I said.
That's a good job.
Yeah, exactly. I said 1100.
So how much you have to go before your evaluation?
I'm almost halfway there.
Good, Jennifer.
Yeah.
Get in there.
All right.
There you go. I'm proud of you.
I was still thinking this is a long on gold. It's down at 949.
Mm-hmm. And I probably will switch to a different account now.
Okay.
You got 2 minutes, everybody, to sign up for the raffle. 2 minutes. Heard what? Please tell us where you heard. Oh yeah, gold's gonna explode. Singles and doubles. Gold stop would be 87. Nasdaq just dropped 10. Gene 8. We have a raffle, Gene 8. Look to sell the gold out between the 95 and even. We have a raffle every day. You got 1 minute. We do a raffle for 10 giveaways, rapid accounts. Okay? Mr. Smith, home runs. Boom! On the gold. Papa Trump. Mr. Speaker, the President of the United States. I can't even talk.
I know.
I'm so tired I can't even talk. My throat's killing me. All right, we gotta can we put on the president? Anybody have Andrew says on Fox app or something.
So try YouTube, see if anybody's doing it live there.
Yeah, YouTube.
what is it, State of the Union?
Trump live or something.
State of the Union address. Associated Press has it live. Well, we don't want them. Fox, Dallas, Fort Worth.
There goes the gold, baby. There goes the gold.
So, go to YouTube and then type in live, Trump gives State of the Union address. And there's a Fox network that's showing. Let me get over to the other channel. I'm not giving AP my business.
Yeah.
Skip. Yep. They're all still doing meet and greet.
There goes the gold.
Yay, go for it. Yes, the justice is looking grim.
They're there.
You should have got that gold.
Yeah.
That's the first pullback on the 5 after the 15 correlated with the 30-minute time frame. That's it. Nobody's going to do anything. Who's ripping up speeches? Good job, Jeffrey. If you're short the gold above 62, I hope you covered below. Just made a couple hundred on the Bitcoin. If I ever settle down. Good time for me. Oh my God, gold. Nasdaq just got kabooshed. Bitcoin just dropped about 250. Bitcoin. All right. Wow. Look at the Nasdaq just get kabooshed. If you're short the Nasdaq at 10, look to now. I said short the Nasdaq 10 to 10 to 40. Good morning, Mr. Steven. Greetings from Romania. Things are going okay. Nasdaq just dropped 20 here. State of the markets. Wow, good job, DL. Nasdaq just dropped about, 17. My boy's thirsty today there.
Wow, yeah, gold. Right back up.
Boom! Kaboom! Hello, Cool Joker. Cool Joker, where have you been, brother? Cool Joker. Where did gold get down to again there?
It went down a little
94?
bit, a little below your 94. Yeah.
Oh.
Perfect. It was a perfect entry.
I should have told them I would be buying it again there.
It was like 92.
All right. Well,
Perfect.
markets are going to be on edge here.
I know. We're still on the meet and greet.
Hey, how did he get that bowl?
I wasn't seeing this.
Oh.
What are you doing?
Wasn't that his bowl?
No, it's not his bowl. Come on. What are you acting like a nut for? You ever stop eating?
Chicken butter.
Let me feed
Yeah.
you, right? Let me feed you, right?
So So Billy Gibbs wants to know where we should buy gold if it gets down again.
You gotta watch it now. He's talking, so forget it. Gotta wait. Take this out. This is not gonna be good for tomorrow.
Anything we do now is just taking a big risk. Good comment up at the top.
No,
Penny.
Andy, you gotta be a good boy.
Billy Gibbs.
Oh, that's it. Nobody's gonna do anything now. He hasn't even come out yet. Good, because I want to get home and watch it.
Yeah, they could be standing there shaking hands for 45 minutes.
He didn't even come out yet. We've been together so long now. So how much you up on the prop?
So, I made like 450 in that prop, and now I'm winning another one.
Okay.
So,
All right.
It's zero because I'm not.
Yeah.
playing at the moment. So yeah, that one.
Hey,
Prop,
get back.
that one prop is it.
We got NVIDIA's earnings tomorrow, by the way, everybody. NVIDIA's earnings. If I ever settle down, you'd be my gal. It's a good time for me to head on. Hey, Scroogey, what's going on? Everybody sign up for the raffle, I heard. Okay, I hope. He's walking through the crowd now. Oh, man. I hope. We'll see. NVIDIA's going to probably beat, most likely. I don't think the market's going to do anything during the State of the Union. How's that? Yes, Trade Station. I would definitely, if you want Trade Station, trading this, I'm long. I think you're going to be okay in silver. How's that? I think that's a great long, but I think that's a great pullback right here. That's a great pullback. First pullback on the 5-minute after the 15 correlated with the 30. Same pattern as gold. Silver, 88.90. That's 40 cents in silver. That's when you could trade the big ones if they allow you to trade the big ones. When you get a pattern like that, that's a big one. Oh, yeah. Hey, caveman. Good job, Fiber Spice God. Papa Trump moves the markets, hands down. But I think this is a nice long. John Dilling is always after the market. Gold ran about 10. So that strategy right here, when the 15-minute time frame reverses to buy and it correlates with the 30-minute time frame right here, the strategy is MACD's below the pivot, you buy the first pullback on the 5-minute time frame. That's exactly what gold and silver did, right? Right? Bitcoin, Papa Trump. Down we go where? Where's down we go? S&P's dropped 3, NASDAQ just dropped 15. Long or short NASDAQ? Neither. Nothing right now. Gold just ran about 12. Hey, Lorraine Mitz, how are you? Lorraine, if Lorraine, Is that Loren Miltz? If you're new, please text me 914-500-7484. We should probably get another push up here on the NASDAQ and S&Ps. He hasn't come out yet? They're saying he's shaking hands, Andrew. Pronounced Lauren. Lauren Meltz. Nice to meet you. Very nice to meet you.
Nope, they're still milling around.
He's still not out yet?
I think it's J.D. Vance at the podium now.
Oh, J.D. Vance came out?
Going to introduce him, right?
Mr. Speaker.
Yeah. The Speaker of the House is there.
Bingo. Let me see. They announced them? Where were you watching?
Everybody's still talking, standing around, taking pictures with each other.
People shouting USA, USA. Damn straight.
I got my patriotic shirt on.
Papa's starting to talk.
Maybe this is delayed. Let me see. Since it's live. Oh yeah, he's talking.
He is?
Yeah. My thing is delayed.
Where are you watching it on?
YouTube, State of the Union Live, Trump, Fox 4. They cut the footage of the White House. Let's have Melania take a bow.
Members of Congress and
How did I get this? I'm an idiot. I got it.
Our nation is back, bigger,
Back!
richer, and stronger than ever before.
Papa Trump, baby. There goes the gold dropping.
Less than 5 months from now, our country will celebrate an epic milestone in American history, the 250th anniversary
How did I get this? I'm an
of our
idiot.
glorious American independence. This July 4th, we will mark 2.5 centuries of liberty and triumph, progress and freedom in the most incredible and exceptional nation ever to exist on the face of the earth. And you've seen nothing yet. We're going to do better and better and better. This is the golden age of America.
Can we read that for mid? Mind?
When I last spoke in this chamber 12 months ago, I had
If you're new, please text me, Cray, F of Mind, 914-500-7484. Good job on the silver long.
for military and police, rampant crime at home, and wars and chaos all over the world. But tonight,
Where to sign up? Just text me your full name and email, 914-500-7484.
transformation like no one has ever seen before, and a turnaround for the ages. It is indeed a turnaround for the ages.
Yeah, I'm on a delay here. If you want to take a scalp short on gold, 08 up to like 16. What's up, my good brother? Let's see. This is not delayed. I don't think this is delayed.
And we will never go back to where we were.
Al Green was escorted already?
We're not going back.
That's a record.
Today our border is secure.
Is that the hockey team?
What's that?
Is that the hockey team?
No, then no, it's not there.
Today our border is secure.
Look at the silver. I would probably scale out of some silver if you're long here.
Inflation is plummeting. Incomes are rising fast.
Oh boy.
The roaring economy
NASDAQ.
is roaring like never before. And our enemies are scared. Our military and police are stacked. And America is respected again, perhaps like never before. After 4 years in which millions and millions of
And I'm looking for. Okay, let's see, Lauren. Gold to 52.20 could.
now have the strongest and most
I'm sorry,
secure
just scalp
border in
shorts here, if
American
anything.
history by far.
Had the long on the gold. Gold just rallied 20 off that 5 minute. Silver just exploded. I'm not looking at ABC. I don't know. I'm looking at NPR. I think it is. I don't know what the hell I'm watching.
Illegal aliens have been admitted to the United States.
This was the great long here on silver. And look to cover any gold here
Always allow
if you
people
can,
to come
anywhere
in
between the
legally,
06 and
people that will
10
love
level.
our country and will work hard to maintain our country.
Yeah, gold's dropped. Gold, that was some long on the gold, right into the positive MACD.
The flow of deadly fentanyl across our border is down by a record 56% in 1 year.
Yeah, Papa Trump. They're not confirming on the gold. I mean, on the NASDAQ or S&Ps. That's why they failed.
Largest decline in recorded history. This is the biggest decline. Think of it in recorded history. The lowest number.
Again, you're
in over
making new highs on the gold.
125 years. Year 1900. In fact, substantially before.
There
my
goes the
wonderful
gold drop.
father. I had a wonderful father, Fred. Before he was born. Substantially before he was born. That's a long time ago. He wouldn't like me to say that, but that's a long time ago. The Biden administration and its allies in Congress gave us the
NASDAQ just ran 10.
inflation in the history of our country.
PG contract.
12 months
Yep.
of administration has driven core inflation down for almost a little more than 5 years. And in the last 3 months of 2025, it was down to 1.7%.
All right, this gold's starting to drop. I would lower your stops. Again, look to cover 06 to 09.10.
Gasoline, which reached a peak of over $6 a gallon in some states under my predecessor, it was quite
Andrew, you see it? Andrew? Right here? What a long here. Oh my God, 92. Ran 20.
The great state of Iowa just a few weeks ago. I even saw $1.85 a gallon for gasoline. Mortgage rates are the lowest in 4 years and falling fast, and the annual cost of a typical new mortgage is down almost $5,000 just since I took office. 1 year. And low interest rates will solve the Biden-created housing problem well.
Gotta
at the
try to
same
get
time
this.
protecting the values of
That
those
gold was
people who
amazing.
already own a house.
In 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bars, gold ran 20.
Those values, we want to keep those values up. We're going to do both.
Nice.
And we are going to keep it that way.
You gotta buy these pullbacks
The
on.
stock market has set 53 all-time record highs since the election. Think of that. 1 year. boosting pensions, 401ks, and retirement accounts for the millions and millions of Americans.
Beautiful patterns on the gold tonight. Beautiful.
Way up. In 4 long years, the last administration got less than $1 trillion in new investment in the United States. And when I say less, substantially.
Andrew, is a matching gold? I would lower your stops. Again, look to cover 06 to 0910. NASDAQ right back up. Oh my God, there goes the NASDAQ. On the oversold. NASDAQ hit 85, just ran 20. Catnip, you were right, so right. NASDAQ's up for a long.
Much more than $18 trillion for 1 year. What a difference a president makes. A short time ago, we were a dead country. Now we are the hottest country anywhere in the world. The hottest.
Look at this gold drop. Gold trade 11 and change, just dropped 5 on the gold. GC victim, I think you should change your name. I'm proud of you. Good job. And again, if you want access to my 5-day free trial, anybody, you could text me your full name and email, and you can get a 5-day free trial, and you can start it on Monday. My cell phone number, text me your full name and email, 914-500-7484. Look at this gold. Gold just got cabooshed.
American natural gas production is at an all-time high because I kept my promise to drill, baby, drill.
Drill, baby, drill. You hear that, honey? Drill, baby, drill. Good boy. Gold down 8 now. Gold, Andrew. You see the price action now?
Anytime in the history of our country, more working today, and
Silver just dropped 12.
All jobs created under my administration have been in the private sector.
I think gold gets there, Lauren, if you get a pullback on the 15 first.
We cut a record number of job-killing regulations, and in 1 year we have lifted 2.4 million Americans, a record, off of food stamps.
All right, silver just dropped about 15.
For all of these reasons, I say tonight, members of Congress, the state of our union is strong. Country is winning again. In fact, we're winning so much that we really don't know what to do about it. People are asking me, please, 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 Mr. President, we're winning too much. We can't take it anymore. We're not used to winning in our country. Until you came along, we're just always losing, but now we're winning too much.
Lauren, I don't know what you're looking at, but I kind of agree with you. If we get a pullback here, the 60-minute time frame is about to reverse on gold. Silver reversed to buy on the 60s. So if you get any type of pullback on the 15s or 30s, then I can see gold going a lot higher in the late Tokyo, Asia, and early European session. Oh, they brought in the hockey team? This you got to watch.
couple of medals. I don't really think it fit in my face. Just to be
Yeah, I'm watching it.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna go over that. The main floor.
I think it was 600.
You do it, I didn't think I did. Yeah. Yeah, they were on the corner. There was Emilian Gomez and
That's the first time I've ever seen them get up. And actually, not all of them did get up. But they beat a fantastic Canadian team in overtime, as everybody saw, as did the American women who will soon be coming to the White House.
Man, nothing's going on now. One little scalp short on gold, but I want to buy pullbacks here on the gold.
They were in the Oval Office before, and I just want to say a second very big congratulations to Team USA. But I have to
I
say,
guess, but I'll take what I can get.
we took a vote of the team. I said, anybody votes no, I'm not doing it. So they stood there. They weren't about to say no, because I've never seen a goaltender play as well as goalie Connor Hellebuck.
Oh, that's nice. He's giving a call out to the goalie for doing such a great job.
The silver is just
To the moon.
I think of it, 46 shots on goal, and I asked him, the one shot, the one where you put your stick at the back and it hit the deck of your stick and bounced off. You practiced that, or was that a little lucky? You refused to answer that question. But I just want to tell you that the members of this great hockey squad will be very happy to hear, based on their vote and my vote, and in this case my vote was more important, that I will soon be presenting Connor with our highest civilian honor, which we will be given, and which has been given to many athletes over the years. But when I say many, not too many, like 12, it's called the highest civilian honor in our country, the Presidential Medal of Freedom.
Oh, amazing.
he gave it to the goalie.
Yeah, such a young kid. Yeah. Yeah, that's true. It's true. They're good kids, man. It's not good kids. Yeah.
The whole markets, everything just came to a stop.
Yeah.
The best.
Sup,
I thought he
Silver?
deserved it. And I did take a vote. Every single one of them. I said, I'm not giving it if anybody else no. And every single one of them rapidly
Yeah,
put
look
up
at
their
that.
hand.
It couldn't be
So
more
thank you.
dead.
Well, what a special
I mean,
job
that's
you
what it
did.
looks like
What
when
a
you're on the
special
wrong
champion
contract.
you are. Thank you very much.
I don't know if you want to take some type of a scalp short here on silver, 89.85 up to 90. 89.90 up to 90.40 maybe on silver.
It will be here in America for the 2028 Olympics, and it's the summer version right in Los Angeles. We're going to do a good job in Los Angeles.
Just dropped.
That's good.
Boom.
It's climbing and climbing and climbing.
Yeah, but now it's getting a little bit too crazy. 70 cents from the 10 bar.
Amazing.
And Los Angeles is going to be safe, just like Washington, D.C. is now one of the safest cities.
Not SOV, silver. I said 90 up to 89.90.
And this year, and I must say I got a vote. Got him in first term. I was disappointed.
Let's see, 79.
The president when this happened. Strange things took place. And now I've got them because I got the Olympics and I got the 2026 FIFA World Cup. And I wanted to claim.
Oh, wow. Look at this silver. It just dropped 25 cents.
Couldn't claim that
Wow.
one for myself. But we're getting the World Cup. So we have the World Cup.
You're long S&Ps? All right.
Is exciting news.
Joshua. On the gold, on the short, right? S&P's new highs. Good job.
Kept it free. Men like Buddy Taggart. At age 17, Buddy volunteered to defend America in World War II.
NASDAQ right back up. 85, 85 right back up.
Bravely in the famous Battle of Manila. Worked so hard. He was bravely wounded, almost killed. Luzon.
NASDAQ new highs. NASDAQ.
Operated the largest internment camp in the Philippines, one of the largest anywhere in the world. But he earned many honors, including a Purple Heart and a Bronze Star, came home, started a family, and tonight he is in the gallery looking forward to July 4th, 2026, his 100th birthday.
Again, if you want to look at it, silver 90. Oh my God. I'm going to tell you though, even though they raised the margin 3 times on silver, I have to say it does trade pretty good though. It ain't moving the $2 or $3 at a clip like it used to.
Heartache, the spirit of 1776 has always shone through very brightly. It was July 4th of last year when floodwaters tore through a girls' summer camp in Central Texas. One of the worst things I've ever seen. I was there, rising 26 feet in the matter of minutes, tragically claiming many, many lives. You all remember that one. As the waters threatened to sweep her away, 11-year-old Millie Kate McClament closed her eyes and prayed to God. She thought she was going to die. Those prayers were answered when Coast Guard rescue swimmer Scott Ruskin descended from a helicopter above. Nobody knew where he came from.
$1 to $2 moves. Sometimes you can get $1 to $2 moves. Jesus.
Very, very
If silver moved, make a half a dollar. That was a big move.
64 others to safety.
So if you look here on silver on the daily, this was the long right here. 64. Oh my God. Then it got pushed down. 72.
People watched Scott from a distance, and they couldn't believe what they were seeing.
55 seconds is better. At least I could tell you, in case he's saying anything important.
Nobody's ever seen anything like it. They said, wow.
NASDAQ again just got cabooshed. 11. Look to buy this silver back anywhere from the 88, 89, 90, 89, 85 to 90.05 if this thing drops. NASDAQ just dropped about 7 or 8. S&P's dropping. I mean, gold.
And Petty Officer Ruskin, I'm pleased to inform you that I am now awarding you the Legion
Well,
of
if they
Merit
didn't raise the
for
margin three
extraordinary
times,
service, which is what it was.
I'm telling you right now, you have no idea. I don't know if you were watching silver in the last probably about 3 weeks ago. I don't use options.
I'd like to have the
I don't use the daily
military
chart. I look at the daily chart sometimes, but I look at the 15, 30, and 60-minute time frames when I trade.
From 1776 to today, every generation of Americans have stepped
Silver.
to
I
defend
look to buy the silver back. You can just cover silver 89.90 to even.
the next generation.
Gold just dropped off the highs. Lauren, I think gold pulls in first before it goes higher.
The chance to reach higher, go further. Where government answers to the people, not the powerful, and where the interests of hardworking American citizens are always our first and ultimate concern. That is the debt we owe to the
I can't
heroes
turn up
who
that
came
much. I got
before
people
us, and that
wanting
is
to
the
hear what's going
promise
on.
we must keep to America for our
I mean, good night so far. We had that beautiful pullback
Last year, I urged this Congress to
at
begin the mission by passing the
850 on
largest
gold,
tax cuts in
silver.
American history, and our Republican majorities delivered so beautifully. Thank you, Republicans.
Great job, Fiber Spice. And again, we have the raffle, okay, in 13 minutes. Man, tonight's flying. Gonna go home and walk Hendrix, have a little bowl of cereal maybe, and then I'm just gonna watch the rest of this.
Large-scale tax increases to hurt the people instead. But we held strong, and with the great, big, beautiful bill, we gave you no tax on tips, no tax on overtime, and no tax on Social Security for our great seniors.
There goes the silver dropping. I love that. No tax on tips.
And we also made
That's
interest
fair.
on auto loans tax deductible the first time, but only if the car is made in America.
Granola with dark chocolate. I like it.
Pennsylvania, I met Megan Hemhauser, a devoted mom whose homeschools
Their taxes
children
in general would be lovely.
Mm.
With you,
children
Daryl.
during the day while waiting
Amen.
tables at night.
I like the fact that also no tax on Social Security. I mean, some people get a check for $900, and by the time they're taxed, they got like what, 600?
Exactly.
I mean, no tax on Social Security. I mean, people work their whole lives to get that check.
So much richer because with no tax on tips, no tax on overtime, and our expanded child tax credit
no
done
tax to
again
breathe
by
so far.
Republicans, Megan and her husband will take
Depends
home
where you
more than
live.
$5,000 extra just for the year, cutting her tax bill in more than half.
See, the way I would look at this, though, right? If I'm paying taxes into this country and Congress, in my opinion, uses that money in a fraudulent way, we should have a right to sue them or go after them.
We're fighting for you.
You know, because if they're going to give the money away,
Megan can also activate their children's brand
pocket
new
it.
Trump accounts. And I didn't
free health, you're getting free health care in Spain. But
Nobody believes me, but I did not name it. Named by a very tall man.
how much are your taxes you're paying for that?
Tax-free investment accounts for every American child. This is something that's so special, has taken off and gone through the roof. Millions will be pre-funded courtesy of the U.S. Treasury and private individuals like Michael and Susan Dell, who have donated $6,250,000,000 to fund the Trump accounts for 25 million American children.
I like that. Private
They're
citizens
great people.
who have the means pitching in.
Michael Dell donated $6 billion.
And I asked Michael Dell, how do you make all that money? He said, well, I just sat in my dorm in school and I made computers and would sell them to people. And I just kept selling and selling and selling. And pretty amazing story. That's called the American dream. He sold a lot of computers, a lot of those laptops. So I congratulate him on that. But I really thank him, Susan, as well as others like Brad Gerstner, a very tremendous guy. He was behind it right from the beginning. Brad Gerstner. Thank you, Brad.
All right. Dell bailout. All right, we got 9 minutes until the raffle here. Again, this silver looks to cover 80, 90 to 90.
These young people's accounts could grow to over $100,000 or more by the time they turn 18. Think of it. How much money is that for somebody that started with nothing? Over 100,000.
They're buying the market at the top.
To make this investment in our children's future, go to TrumpAccounts.gov. TrumpAccounts.gov. And a lot of people are doing it. It's setting every record in the book. It's popular. They knew what it was going to take. So proud of them. I'm so proud of the people that got it started.
How much does 1,000 go into $6 billion?
One of the primary reasons for our country's
Got me.
economic turnaround. The biggest in history, where the Dow Jones broke 50,000 4 years ahead of schedule, and the S&P
6 million kids.
7,000, where it wasn't supposed to do it
That's
for many
amazing.
years, were tariffs.
San Francisco.
I used these tariffs to get hundreds of billions of dollars to make great deals for our country, both economically and on a national security basis. Everything was working well. Countries that were ripping us off for decades are now paying us hundreds of billions of
Got to get the
dollars.
silver to get a pullback on the 5. This next pullback on silver on the 5, the 60s just reversed to buy, so now the sequence starts all over again.
Countries are now happy, and so are we. We made deals. The deals are all done, and they're happy. They're not making money like they used to. We're making a lot of money. There was no inflation, tremendous growth, and the big story was how Donald Trump called the economy correctly, and 22 Nobel Prize winners in economics didn't. They got it totally wrong.
All right.
They got it really wrong. And then just 4 days ago, an unfortunate ruling from the United States Supreme Court. It just came down. Very unfortunate ruling.
Saying it right to their faces.
But the good news is that almost all countries and corporations want to keep the deal.
He can't really knock him that hard because he needs them.
Right, Scott?
Yeah.
Knowing that the legal power that I, as president, have to make a new deal could be far worse for them, and therefore they will continue to work along the same successful path that we had negotiated before the Supreme Court's unfortunate involvement. So despite the disappointing ruling, he's powerful. Country saving. It's saving our country, the kind of money we're taking in. Peace protecting. Many of the wars I settled was because of the threat of tariffs. I wouldn't have been able to settle them without. Will remain in place.
Gold just ran about 4 just now.
Alternative legal statutes. They have been tested for a long time. They're a little more complex, but they're actually probably better, leading to a solution that will be even stronger than before. Congressional action will not be necessary. It's already time-tested and approved. And as time goes by, I believe the tariffs
Oh, really, Simon Show?
foreign countries will, like in the past, substantially replace the modern-day system of income tax, taking a great financial burden off the people that I love.
All right. Silver making new highs here. The silver is a beast.
Moving forward, factories, jobs, investment, and trillions and trillions.
Now, of course, NASDAQ and S&P are doing absolutely nothing. All right, 5 minutes for the raffle. Everybody ready?
Finally have a president first. Put America first. I love America.
Alright, flat all positions.
For decades before I came along, we had the exact opposite. From trade to healthcare, from energy to immigration, everything was stolen and rigged in order to drain the wealth out of the productive, hardworking people who make our country great, who make our country run.
Oh boy.
Under Biden and his corrupt partners in Congress and beyond, it reached a breaking point with the Green New Scam, open borders for everyone. They poured in by the millions and millions from prisons, from mental institutions.
How do you get ready for the raffle? Well, first of all, you have to put your name in. You have to sign up to My Fund of Futures. Okay. Right, Chisards? You have to go into My Fund of Futures YouTube, sign up before 9 o'clock, and create a My Fund of Futures YouTube, an email. Go to My Fund of Futures link and set up a My Fund of Futures YouTube, and it's got a match. Okay.
The increased prices that all of our citizens had to endure.
Okay. If you have any questions, Chisards, you could text me 914 500 7484.
They knew this were a lie. They knew. They knew their statements were a dirty, rotten lie. Their policies created the high
So I put
prices.
700 in
Our
the second account.
policies are
What's that?
rapidly ending
So then I put
them. We
700
are
in the
doing
second account.
really well. Those
You made 700 on the
prices
second?
are coming
Yeah.
down.
Tonight.
Yeah.
Good job, Jennifer. Get in there.
Alright. Just those goals lines, you know?
The price of
Okay.
eggs is down 60%. Madam Secretary, thank you. The cost of chicken, butter, fruit,
And the
hotels,
caller range on the gold, Billy
rent
Gibbs.
is lower today than when I took office by a lot. And even beef, which was very high, is starting to come down significantly. Just hold on a little while, we're getting it down. And soon you will see numbers that few people would think were possible to achieve just a short time ago. Well, nobody can believe when they say the kind of numbers, especially energy prices, energy going down to numbers like that. They cannot believe it.
Man, oh man, is it dead?
Big
Holy
tax cut. I'm also confronting one of the biggest ripoffs of our times, the crushing cost of health care. Caused by you. Since the passage of the Unaffordable Care Act, sometimes referred to as Obamacare, big insurance companies got rich. It's meant for the insurance companies, not for the people. With our government giving them hundreds and hundreds of billions of dollars a year as their stock prices soared 1,000, 1,200, 1,400, and even 1,700%, like nothing else. That's why I introduced the great healthcare plan. I want to stop all payments to big insurance companies and instead
Trying to think who
give
this
that
is.
money directly to the people so they can buy their own healthcare.
All right. This is delayed anyway.
Actually, abstract.
Abstract, are you there?
Oh, wait, we started? Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry. Give me a second. Give me a second, Denny. Abstract. It's 9:50. Sorry, Denny. All right, abstract. 45939. Oh my God. I was just looking at the okay. Abstract 45939. Are you here for the raffle?
No sign of them.
Oh my God. Lauren, this gold's getting caboose and silver as well. Cover your shorts in silver. Should be flat.
I think we have to go with next.
Next. I would buy some gold here if it gets to the 77 and a half, 85 and a half range. Digicap. Digicap. Oh, look at the gold right back up. Jesus. Anybody short the silver? That's the long entry? Jesus, gold.
Digicap's here.
Congratulations, Digi. Next! If you want to take a scalp short on gold, 97 to 04. Happy Kids Trades. Happy Kids Trade EZ or Trades. Man, that was a good long down there. Happy Kids Trades.
Not seeing it. Oh, here they are.
Congratulations. Next.
Yeah, we got happy.
If you're short the gold, lower your stops. Trade for pay 01. Trade for pay 01. Trade for pay 01. Next. No Dark Lord. No Dark Lord. No Dark Lord.
Yes.
No Dark Lord. Is he here?
No, oh, NQ Dark Lord's here. Yeah.
And NQ? I
Yeah.
thought this was like no Dark Lord.
Yeah, is NQ Dark Lord. Yeah.
Okay, sorry.
Sorry, my thing's.
Ariel Gomez, O2C. Sorry, NQ. Okay. Ariel Gomez, 023.
Yes, Ariel's here.
Congratulations. That's 4. All right. DB Sidekick. DB Sidekick. DB? DB Sidekick. DB Sidekick. Congratulations. That's 4. That's 5. Next. Adam, 5071. Adam, 5071. Adam, 5071. Adam. Is he here?
Not seen it yet, but
His
here he
na-
is. Here he is.
Congratulations. That's 6. What the hell is this? Daharon
Duran Vela.
Duran Vela? Oh my God, my brain hurts. Duran Vela? Duran Vela? VELA? Duran Vela.
Yes, here.
Congratulations. That's 7. Hey, Oscar, how are you? Betry underscore Eric? Betry, BEATRI underscore Eric, ERIC.
Here.
Here, that's 8. We're moving along here.
2 to go.
2 to go. Robert Lopez, 8752. Robert Lopez, 8752. Robert Lopez.
Yes, here.
Congratulations, Robert. 1 more to go.
Gotcha, Robert.
Good job, Jennifer. Helping me out like this.
Look at that.
Look at the gold rally 15. What is this? Goran Guarantee Trades?
Oh, yeah. Looks like it.
GUARANIT Trades?
Here.
He's here? That's fast.
Yep.
All right. Congratulations, everybody.
Good job, folks.
Good job. Gold gets up to the even 99.80 to 06.80, 07.80. I would look to short it there. All right. Congratulations, everybody. All right. I want to thank Denny. I want to thank Jennifer. I want to thank Aaron. And I want to thank all of you. I want to thank My Funded Futures for sponsoring tonight. And obviously, thank you to all of you. Thursday from 10:30 to 11:30, I will be on My Funded Futures TV. I will see you here again tomorrow night and Thursday night from 8 to 10. Also, if you'd like to follow me on my podcast, The Bull, the Bear, and the Ugly, please go to my SK Trading YouTube every night around 6 to 7 o'clock. It's about 20 minutes. Also, if you like, anybody would like a 5-day free trial to my live stream every single day, text me your full name and email at 914-500-7484. With that being said, I want to say thank you. God bless you, and God bless the United States of America. Good night, everybody.